Today it's a day. Finally, I will go get my Tesla. After 6 months of looking online and looking at my Tesla account to see where's my car, today is the day I want to actually go pick it up. There's a snowstorm outside, but I don't care. All I want is to go get my car. Time to say bye-bye. Finish with this car. Thank you for the 4 years. Honestly, the car is amazing. The only thing I will say is that you don't have winter tires. So if you are getting a car in Montreal, make sure that you actually putting the winter tires on it, or you buying it on it, or you bring it here, because they will give you the car without any winter tires. This is summer tires, so otherwise it's gonna be hard.